video, I'm going to be covering the momentum scalp variation strategy. As you can see, I put the requirements right here on this left-hand screen. We'll go over each requirement one by one so that you guys understand the logic behind why we took the trade, and then we'll go from there. So looking at requirement one here, first you want to confirm the overall trend on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 10 minute time frames. So starting with the 1 minute here, you can see that price is bullish because price is above the pivots. Pivots are angling up, and the trend meter down below is green. This is going to confirm a bullish trend. Looking at the 5 minute, you want to look for the same thing since you're looking for the overall trend. So with the 5 minute here, you want to make sure that price is above the pivots. Pivots are angling up, and the trend meter down below is green, which is present. So that's going to confirm a bullish trend here as well. Lastly, on the 10 minute, you want to look for the same exact thing. Price again over here is above the pivots. Pivots are angling up, and the trend meter down below is green. So with that said, we have an overall bullish trend here. Next step, you want to confirm that momentum aligns on the 5 minute and 10 minute time frames. So looking over here on the 5 minute, you want to look at the most recent momentum signal. You'll see right here, it's a green buy signal, right? This is going to confirm that momentum is bullish. Unless we have a sell signal that comes up anytime soon, we're going to assume that price is likely to continue to the upside. Going over here to the 10 minute, you want to look for the same thing. Most recent buy signal here is a green momentum signal. So this is going to indicate that price here is also bullish with regard to momentum. So with that said, we've confirmed step 2. We have a bullish momentum signal here, bullish momentum signal here, and the overall trend is bullish. So if you guys put 2 and 2 together, this will allow you to assume that price is likely to continue to the upside, right? Because we have an overall trend, which is indicating that price is going up. And then we have overall momentum here indicating that price is likely to send its way to the upside as well. So once you have that lined up, we no longer need to look at the 5 minute and the 10 minute. You can go ahead and just maximize the 1 minute here. Going over to step 3, next you want to confirm a retracement momentum signal on the 1 minute time frame. So once you've confirmed that, you want to go back and look at the most recent momentum signal here on the 1 minute, and you want to look for a signal that's going opposite of the trend. Right here we have a sell signal, and that's going to confirm the retracement on the 1 minute time frame. So with that said, we've confirmed step 1, step 2, and step 3. Next step, you want to look at step 4 and confirm that price closes past the pivots in retracement on the 1 minute time frame. So as you can see right here, price was pushing up. Price retraced right here to the downside, and it closed below the pivots, right? So with that said, you can now confirm requirement number 4. Requirement number 5, you want to confirm that price closes past pivots in correction of the overall trend. So you can see price was going upwards, retraced down, and now you're identifying the correction back to the upside right here. And you just want to make sure that the next candle closes above the pivots. So with that said, you can see this green candle right here closes above all the pivots. And this is now going to satisfy your requirement for step 5. With that said, you can enter on the close of the candle, which would be right here. And then you set your TP stop loss depending on market movement. So as you can see right here, typically you'll use either a 100, 300 TP stop loss. But you can see how this is kind of tight, right? You don't want to be too tight when market's moving too quickly and too volatile, because you can easily get stopped out before it hits your profit target. So in this case right here, since the market is moving quickly, instead of the 100, 300, we're going to use a 250 to 500. So set that up right there. We have everything set up. Looks a little better, right? There's more space there, more cushion in case price does retrace down. And once you have this set up, you go ahead and let the trade run. And there you go, almost a profit target. And right there, full TP right there. So that's pretty much the momentum scalp variation strategy. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. You guys can email me at Shawn@KodiKaiTrades.com. Otherwise, you guys can also message me on Telegram at Kodi Kai Trades. So I think that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.